What's up, YouTube? Mike here. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. I do have a big mess going on here. And I apologize. It's another blog video. I probably need to change my name of my channel to What's Mike Blogging About Today. But I didn't think y'all wanted to watch me take a grinder with a wire wheel and go over these pickets and knock all the loose paint off of them. I didn't think you wanted to see my sweetie slapping paint on these pickets. And here's the three that's done. And then here's the pile that we still have to take the wire wheel to and knock off all the loose paint. We are building a garden fence. And a lot of this stuff, like I said on my last video, I don't think a lot of y'all would really want to sit there and watch me use a grinder and a wire wheel and knock paint off of pickets. It doesn't seem like it's very entertaining to me. Playing with concrete, don't think that's very entertaining either. So one of these days, real soon, I still appreciate everybody's support. One of these days, real soon, maybe we can start playing around and having fun. But let me go show you something. Okay. I dug 7 post holes yesterday with the help of my sweetie. We got 7 posts in concrete for our picket fence to keep the dogs out. Now, it ain't gonna keep rabbits out, it's not gonna keep squirrels out, but it's gonna keep the dogs out. I don't know how y'all feel about it, but I really don't want to be working in my garden area, kneeling down in the dog's aftermath. That just does not sound fun to me. It might not be fun for y'all, but you know, I just want to keep the dogs out. So this garden area is going to be 52 feet long by 12 foot wide. If I can't fit everything that I want in this garden with that size of garden, I have an issue. Now, I don't grow corn. I don't grow, stuff that takes a whole lot of room. Squash, zucchini plants take a whole lot of room. But we already discussed it yesterday. We're going to probably take this bed during the late fall or even in the winter and shovel out all the dirt, add some more nutrients to it, and we're probably going to end up moving this bed. We discussed that yesterday after we put this fence up. Let me walk around here. Reason is we don't have very much room to walk through here, and we don't have very much room to walk through over there, so we're probably going to take it and flip it one way or the other. The ultimate plan is to build a 6-foot picket fence all the way around that line right there, starting at that fence way back there, all the way around here. Start getting the materials gathered up to do that. Probably ain't gonna happen this year, but let's get back on track. I'm just totally veered off squirrel, but I still got to cut all these posts down. So we're building a white picket garden fence, mainly to keep the dogs out. And here's all my aftermath. Another dang mess. That looks like a couple good pickets there that I need to save. I need to go through this pile again to make sure that there's none in this pile that we can't use or put up for later. But the reason this fence was taken down and given to us, which we're really blessed for, is all these are rotted. The nails weren't staying in these boards anymore. All the pickets are coming off. So me and my sweetie was really blessed when this came available. So with a little bit of work, you can use some used material. See, I got 2 more posts here that I can save and put up for a later date. But guys, I really want to stress, I've said this several times on my videos, You can save a ton of money with used materials. There's nothing wrong with used. Now, you have to put in some effort. It took me 2 to 3 hours to get all those pickets off those boards. It took me, well, I better correct myself there. It took my sweetie 3 to 5 minutes to paint each side of those pickets, the ones that she got done. We had been doing it out here in 85, 90 degree heat. And it is work. But we got the fence for free. We don't mind putting in a little bit of work. I'm trying to remember where I'm going with this. Sorry, guys. Now, I did price this fence, all brand new materials, and it's going to be well over $1,000. Those metal poles have shot up. The 2x4 runners, we were just going to go with pine and paint it white anyway, so that'd be protected in from the weather. But, you know, $1,000. We got this for free. It's so far, this little fence that we're putting up is going to cost us $42 for the concrete. Now we got to buy 4x4 runners. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We need about 14 to 16 2x4 runners. Those got to be painted. So we have $50 in paint, because I bought me a new paintbrush. So the paint was $32, and I think the paintbrush was $18. But, you know, so far we're way under $100 on this project. I don't know what the 2x4s are running right now. I think they're $364, and I got about 16 of them, so that's about another $100 right there. And we'll probably have to buy another gallon of paint. So that's another, let's just do $40 for round easy math. We'll have $240 in this fence. Oh, I did forget something. We're going to have to buy the $80 hardware kit. So we'll be right at $300 in this project. And yes, we have some labor in it. But right now I figure my labor is cheaper than buying everything new. I could pay myself $700, keep that in my pocket, and pay myself and my sweetie probably 20 bucks an hour to get this fence up, which is not bad wages, guys, for free material. So I'm sorry, this is another blog video. I really hate doing blog videos. I promise. We'll get on to something fun soon. But I did promise a video every Sunday. It's Sunday, and here's your video. Guys, thanks for watching. I will make a video of that completed fence, updates on the garden, and thank y'all for your support, and I'll catch you next time.